Now, I'm doing it. I'm cooking this tonight.
Yeah.
If you're looking for a fun new recipe the whole family will love, look no further. This Mexican-inspired midweek meal is nacho regular dinner. This is so good.
You need to smell this. Today we are joined by Coles Ambassador Courtney Ralston for Cooking with Coles. Morning to you, Court.
Good morning. I'm glad we got the nacho dad joke out of the way nice and early, because there's a million of them up Chervo's sleeve, I think.
He's got more, don't he?
Nacho...
Nacho regular.
Not so bad, nacho good.
Yeah.
So let's start, shall we? How are you making the mince?
So for our mince, for our beef nachos, 500-gram packet of Coles beef mince. I've cooked that off with some onion, some garlic. You can use a packet of spice mix if you want, or if you have these 4 spices at home: paprika, onion powder, some oregano and some ground cumin. If you've got those in your cupboard, that's all that's basically in those spice packets. Okay. Chuck them in, cook it down with probably my most used ingredient now that we're coming into comfort cooking season. Minestrone soups, all your ragouts, bologneses, a bit of tomato paste is going to add the richness. Half a cup of water and just cook it down, and then you end up with this.
How good is a squeezy bottle too? And you can keep it in the fridge.
Yeah.
Okay, is there a right or wrong way to put the nachos together?
I think there are a couple of rules. No cutlery, number one. We don't need cutlery for this.
Yes.
The second one, you want a nice big flat tray. You want to get lots of surface area, so all of them have, you know, you want to pick it up and get a little bit of everything. We've got a naughty cheese sauce to go with this. So this is super simple. 2 cups of cheese, any cheese that's in your fridge at home, tablespoon of corn flour, and a can of evaporated milk. Literally put that in.
Sweet stuff?
No, it's not sweetened. That's condensed. That's for cheesecake.
Gotcha.
All you need to do is put that in a pot nice and low and stir it. And because I love chilli, we're putting in some of the pickled jalapenos.
Oh, yum.
Jalapeno and cheese sauce. And Trevor, all you do for 10 minutes is just cook that down.
Cook it down.
Oh, look at that.
I'm telling you, like the original nacho recipe, I think, like...
Nacho good for your waistline?
It was literally cheese and jalapenos on some chips.
Okay. You've also got a well, we eat this. You've got a vegetarian hack
you eat this. So then
I'm going to do some lime. You good with that?
Veggie hack, because we know even if you're not vegetarian, a lot of people try and eat more plant-based during the week.
What's in that one?
We've got a packet of the Bird's Eye plant-based mince. And look, this looks and tastes, I'm telling you, exactly the same as the beef one.
Does it?
We've got a can of the Mexican beans to add a bit of protein. And again, our Legos tomato paste, bit of water, cook it down with some spice paste.
Oh my goodness.
We've got a seagull that's flown in.
Came to say hi,
and then it's exactly the same.
Is that the meatless?
This is the meatless one here.
Have a crack at that, No, just try it for us. Let us know.
Honestly, if I didn't tell you, Brett, you wouldn't know.
Okay, here we go.
But we've got the meat one, so you just do that. That's amazing.
It's
so
great.
good.
I mean,
just quickly, the tortillas.
The tortillas.
Which ones do you use?
These are the Coles stone ground tortilla. You need a solid, well-structured chip. It's got to be. Otherwise, it's all soggy. So keep them flat. No cutlery.
Amazing.
Use a good corn kit.
That's actually good.
Well done, Court.
It's amazing. You can find all the full recipe in the Cooking with Coles section on the Sunrise website. We can vouch for it.